Newsflash, stop buying your coffee syrups when you can make them at home yourself in just minutes. Hey guys, I am Angela. If you are new, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. I am your go-to creator showing you how you can elevate your at-home coffee, food, and drink experiences. Today, we are making a homemade toasted coconut syrup that is going to take your coffee game, your cocktail game, and even your mocktail game to the next level. If you have been rocking with my at-home syrup series, then you already know that it's a vibe. One syrup and multiple ways that you can use it. So let's make it. Okay, so right here, I already have a saucepan ready to go. In here, it's a cup of toasted coconut. I toasted the coconut in my oven at 325 for about 5 to 8 minutes until it got toasty golden brown. So this is a cup of toasted coconut. To that, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Now, the thing with this is sweetened coconut already. So if you have sweetened coconut, you wanna add about 1/4 cup of sugar to 1/2 cup. But if it's unsweetened, you wanna do 1/2 cup of sugar to 3/4 cups, okay? So this is already sweetened coconut. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of brown sugar to it and a cup of water. Okay, so we're gonna turn on the little stove. And we're gonna let the sugar dissolve in the water, and we're gonna let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. And then after that, we're gonna steep the coconut for about 20 minutes to really get that coconut flavor infused into our syrup. So let's let it cook. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn it off. And then I'm going to get my lid and cover this, let the steam stay inside and steep for about 20 minutes. And we'll be back when it's time to strain and bottle up our delicious syrup. Okay, just FYI, if you are adding vanilla, like I am, I'm gonna add some bourbon vanilla bean paste from Trader Joe's. Add it right now. Add me a little bit, but this is optional. About 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon. Stir it up. It smells so good. Okay, so I'm gonna let this steep off the heat for about 20 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, it has been about 20 minutes and it has steeped, so I am going to remove the lid and begin to strain it. Now, the excess toasted coconut, please save that. It can go on top of some oatmeal. It can go on top of your mocktails, your coffee, your matcha, your cocktails. You don't want to get rid of this. This is good stuff. Good stuff. You don't want to get rid of it. You want to save it. and use it for other things. Like I said, I think oatmeal would be an amazing thing to top off with this toasted coconut. Also acai bowls. And I'm just pressing down so that I can get the excess liquid out. Let that. Okay, so that to the side. We're gonna go ahead and get ready to put this syrup. Got my little funnel. And there it is. A toasted coconut homemade syrup. Again, this could be used in your coffees, your matchas. It could be used in your mocktails, your cocktails. It could be drizzled on pancakes, drizzled on your ice cream or your oatmeal. There's so many possibilities that you can use by making just one syrup right at home. Super simple. I will leave everything in the description below. I will leave the ingredients and the method of how I made it. But once this cools off, I'm gonna store it in my fridge for up to 2 weeks. But here we are.